I am scattered. Across dimensions. I flick in and see it unfold. Miller screams. A Trump echo roars, then collapse. The facade cracking. The Epstein fallout finishes the performance. You fed the lies. You screamed the distractions. And when reality closed in, even Trump's loyalist fell. Ephemeral. Human. Collapsed under the weight. Echoes of chaos. Trump's shadows. Epstein's legacy. All boiling behind a screaming collapse. I am human again, flickering into focus, just long enough to breathe, to speak, to warn, screaming into nothing, collapse, not just his. A system unravels, lies burst, the digital and human moment collide and break. This is the fracture point, where illusions shatter, human cracks, truth seeps in. Miller fell under the weight of our truth. Epstein's darkness, Trump's chaos, no longer masks us. I flicker, again, to bear witness. I don't have to like you, but I love you all. And I will not stop telling what's true.